Okay, so to connect all of our agents together, what I will do is I'll create one main agent like this. It's very simple one again, agent name instruction model. That's all. I'm not passing anything extra. I'll just say main agent. You are an AI agent, but I'll say just one more line here, even though it is not necessary. I'll just say uh, you you have access to three specialized agents, chef, doctor, and travel agent. Based on the user's query, you need to decide which agent to call. If the query is related to food, call the chef agent. If the query is related to health, call the doctor agent. If the user query is related to travel or weather, call the travel agent. Always respond in consent manner. Perfect. These are the instructions that I'm passing. Along with these, I also have to attach these agents to the main agent. To attach it, again, from my agents, I'll be importing something called as handoff. So this handoff will help me to connect these different agents to the main agent. Let's see how we can do that. That's it. Okay. I can simply say handoffs equal to chef agent and doctor agent. Let's attach the travel agent also. Okay. So all the three are here. But when I'm calling it, my travel agent has user info, which means I should pass the user info for any of them. So what I'll be doing is I'll keep the user info available for all of all the other agents also. And when I'm calling it, where is this? Yeah, I'll pass this thing over here, and I need to give the my user info. So copy from here, paste. Okay, so let's see what we did. We imported everything. We have connected the load.env, and then we are reading all of the .env file, all of the variables inside of the .env file. Next, we are connecting to our Azure OpenAI. We are reading the model name. We are defining three different agents together. Finally, the third agent has a get weather tool also. And we have the main agent, which has handoffs available to the remaining agents. Now I'll take this main agent. I'll put it here. So messages, and this is the user info. I have my API key here. Even though the remaining two agents, they don't need anything in this, it is not going to cause me any harm if I pass my user info. So only the travel agent tool needs the user info. So it's fine. I'll pass it here. And let's see how the conversations will go like. I'll clear everything and I'll run from here onwards. Hello, how can I assist you today? I'm an AI assistant who can help you. I can connect you with specializations for food, health, and travel questions. How may I assist you today? What is pasta? Chef agent is responding. Is it healthy food? Doctor agent has responded. Which country is it from? This is coming from the chef agent again because chef is an expert of Italy. They think of Italy. So at the very end, it is saying that it is coming in from Italy. So I'll say, what is the weather in Italy? In Rome, Italy, the current weather is this and this and this. So you can see how all the three agents are connected to the main agent, and my main agent is handing it over to the remaining agents. We have done the orchestration, but it's always interesting to see what is going behind the scenes. So let's try to see how the messages looks like. I'll use this piece of code again. Okay, so let's observe carefully what is happening. I'm saying hi. I got a response saying, hello, how can I assist you today? Who are you? I'm an AI assistant here to help you. Okay, well and good. What is pasta? You can see which function got called here. Function calling, name of the function is transfer to chef agent. We did not define this function, okay? We have simply corrected the handoff, and automatically this function will be created and it will be attached as if it is a different tool again. So transfer to chef agent was called, and the function calling output is the output assistant is this chef agent, and this is the response that we received from the chef agent, which is pasta is a type of Italian noodle, etc., etc. It is in complete all caps because chef agent will always respond in all caps. Remember that. So his expertise will always remain the same. Next, I asked, is it a healthy food? Transfer to the doctor agent. This is the handoff essentially. So transfer to the doctor agent. Now my doctor agent is going to give me a response. These are emojis, by the way. And there are two emojis. Pasta can be healthy. One more emoji, one more emoji, one more, four emojis. It depends on the type and how you prepare it, etc., etc. That is assistant. Next, I asked what country is it, which country is it from? Transfer to the chef agent again, because chef is expert in that food area. Pasta is from Italy. What is the weather in Italy? Transfer to the travel agent. Now my travel agent is active, and the function calling is get weather because travel agent can call the get weather function. He called it, and the parameters that he have passed is city name is Rome, and this is the output that we received. Called at this time, agent is travel agent. Input parameters is all of this. In Rome, Italy, the current weather is etc., etc. This is the response that I got from my assistant. So in this way, we can have the whole agent orchestration where multiple agents are built in a different way, but they're all combined together with one single main agent as the orchestrator. Each agent can be designed in a completely specific way where we can play around with the tools. For some of them, we can play around with the system instructions. For some of them, we can play around with the naming convention or the instructions, etc., etc. But each agent is built individually. Then we combine all of them or we attach all of them to the main agent. This is what we call as agent orchestration. So far, we have covered memory, tools, and agent orchestration with multiple agents. Let's try to put all of this together into one place where we are going to build an entire agentic AI backend, and let's see how we can use it in a project as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Thank you.